This Gotman large leak-proof meal prep box is a kitchen hero. It holds a lot. A whopping 155.5 ounces. Imagine storing a whole garden salad. Its clear design lets you see contents easily. No more mystery leftovers. The lid has a handle. This makes carrying simple. It is also BPA-free. So, your food stays safe. This container is truly great for meal prep. And it helps organize your fridge. Moreover, this container is leak-proof. No more spills in your bag. It is like a secure vault for food. You can store juicy fruits. Or even tangy kimchi. The tight seal works wonders. It keeps food fresh longer. This Gotman large leak-proof meal prep box is very versatile. It fits many kitchen needs. Thus, it's a smart storage solution. Furthermore, it's easy to clean. Just wash it and reuse it. Ultimately, this Gotman large leak-proof meal prep box is highly recommended. It keeps your food tidy. It saves fridge space. Also, it prevents messes. Because of its generous size, it's perfect for families, or for anyone who loves meal prepping. Consequently, it's a fantastic addition. Your kitchen will thank you. In summary, it is a practical and reliable choice. Pros: keeps food fresher longer, space-saving stackable design, shatter-resistant Triton material. Wide temperature range, -22°F to 230°F. Stores multiple items. No flavor mix, crystal clear for easy visibility. 100% BPA-free Triton material, lightweight and easy to carry. Tear-proof lid wings, patented easy open lid handle, excellent leak-proof seal. Cons: scam sellers send wrong items, products sometimes arrive damaged, fake reviews inflate product. Ratings: delivery delays can occur, some items are low-quality features. Airtight seal, 155.5 Oz capacity, lid with handle, clear design, large size, BPA-free. Material: good for meal prep, leak-proof, fridge organizer, kimchi storage. This clear, extra large Gotman food storage container holds a lot, about 155.5 ounces, and has a handle on the lid for easy carrying. It's great for keeping your food fresh because it has a super tight seal, meaning no leaks, and it's made without harmful chemicals. BPA-free. You can use it to organize your fridge, prepare meals ahead of time, or even store strong-smelling foods like kimchi without odors escaping. The Gotman Airtight Food Storage Container, 155.5 Oz, is a large, clear, and BPA-free container designed to keep food fresh longer, making it great for meal prep, fridge organization, or kimchi storage. It has a space-saving stackable design and is made from shatter-resistant Triton material that can handle a wide range of temperatures. The container is lightweight, easy to carry, and features a patented easy open lid handle with tear-proof wings and an excellent leak-proof seal. However, some customers have reported issues with scam sellers sending incorrect or damaged items, delivery delays, and low-quality products, suggesting that some product ratings might be based on fake reviews.